Okay, so before watching this video, make sure you watch the LinkedIn Learning tutorial on Massive, or this may be a little bit too fast. I'm gonna go ahead and find Massive under Native Instrument, Massive Stereo, Create. I can delete this piano for now. Okay, and call this Massive. Remember, for this assignment, you can only use this menu over here. No presets, no. Only those. So for now, I'm gonna use a square wave. Cool. No melody, no harmony, no rhythm. Okay, so just texture. I'm gonna go ahead and assign some of my knobs to some of the controller here in Massive. Assigning the ring modulator to oscillator 1, right click for the amount, MIDI learn, and move this one over here, pitch, move this one over there, and some noise. I'm gonna add this number 6. I want to make sure I use only filter 1, so I'm gonna bring both of those two sliders all the way up, load here a low pass, and assign the cutoff here and the resonance there. And I'll use some reverb as well, assigning the wet and dry here. I think I changed the controller. This one. I think I lost this one. Number 4. Cool. All right. Cool. So now I have some options here. I'm gonna try to reset this to a simple sound. Okay. No reverb. And now I can go in here and actually record something. Okay. It could be my first layer. And then I can add another massive if I want. And this time I'm gonna have fun using some LFOs. Okay, so let's take a look. This is another instance right now, so I'm back to a simple sound. If you to choose a different waveform from here, something more complex. I'll take an LFO, drag it to control my pitch right here. Set a range. So now I have this happening. I'm going to automate my rate to my knob number 3. And my reverb, dry and wet. And also I'm going to make this very big, like that. To my knob number 4. And I'll play with those two only and see what happens. Back to the beginning. Okay, in this next layer, I'll load another massive. Remember, you can only use massive for this assignment, okay? To create a little bit of a soundscape. So for this one, I'm gonna actually use some envelope instead and see what I can do with that. So this is my new massive over here. Go back to a simple square wave. Envelope 4 is used by the actual instrument, so I'll use envelope 1. Loop to infinite and morph into a weird curve like that. So now if I move this into my pitch, it's gonna use this curve to automate the pitch. Okay, I want this to be pretty short, so it goes right there. Okay, and now I can actually use instead an LFO to control the opening and closing of one of my filters. To set the range on a filter, you have to click on the number and drag. So now I have... This is now opening and closing. So I want to select the rate. I'm gonna put it over here. And I wanna select, let's see, maybe we'll automate also just the volume of this instrument. Okay, with number 4. So not too much stuff going on, but... And because I'm making everything going into reverb, I'm gonna do the same thing with the reverb here and put it on my last knob so I know that it's there. For now, no reverb. Now, I can take a look at any of those elements here and take a look at my automation by clicking this button over here, and I can now scroll through my various automation. Now, you see, make sure that with a pencil, you actually draw the automation from the beginning if you started a little bit later in the piece. Otherwise, what's gonna happen is that whichever last value you have is gonna now be at the beginning, which is not what you want. So you wanna go through your pieces here and do that kind of work. Okay? Hope this helps us a little overview of how actually quickly you can create some cool stuff. Now, of course, I expect much more creativity from you in terms of storytelling. You can create so many textures just with this one instrument, okay? So you can start very peaceful and then get very chaotic. You can play with the envelope to create percussion kind of feel, so impacts. Remember, no groove, no melody, no harmony, just noises and sounds that sum on each other. Okay? Cool?